beautiful day to work on the Trax. Let's go. Hey guys, it's me, 𝙂𝙚𝙖𝙧. Welcome back to the channel. We're back in the garage again with the 2024 Chevy Trax. If you saw the last video, we did the cabin, no, we didn't do the cabin air filter, we did the engine air filter. Today we're going to do the cabin air filter right here. This is a genuine GM part. If you want to see the other video, just look up in the cards. You can see that video, but this video we're going to do the cabin air filter. It's an authentic GM part, GM part number 135080023. So let's get to that. Let's get this put in. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is to remove this door. So just slowly latch it from both sides. There's two notches here, and put it aside. That's all you got to do for that. All right, the next thing you want to do, there's two clips here. You just want to push them together. Let's see if I can get my fingers in there. This one's very easy to change. My last 2021 Trax was pretty easy to change too. My dad has a 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. You got to get up way in here with your finger, and it's just a stupid position where they put it. So us with the Trax, we're very lucky. So anyways, this is the old original air filter. I'm changing it at 25,000 kilometers. I'll give you a conversion of that with miles too. It's just something I do. I like to keep these things maintained and smelling fresh inside the car and working optimal. So as you can see, there's two arrows pointing down. Now this is the airflow before we take it out. So we're just gonna lift it out slowly here. Actually, it's not too bad. I usually keep my vents and this side, yeah, you can see it's fairly dirty. It's a good thing we clean that out. Put my hand in here, feel anything? Nope, there's no mice or anything in there. So that's good, that's clean. Alright guys, I just wanted to take a quick pause and show you the difference between the old one,
holy shnikes,
and the new one. This is 25,000 kilometers, like I said. I bought the vehicle in April of last year. It's May, the end of May, so I've had it a year and a month or so. And this is what the results are. Mind you, like I mentioned in other videos, I did have a really bad winter up here in southern Ontario. Construction, everything, you name it. We had every type of weather, lots of snow, and this is the result. So you can see it's really important to keep your stuff clean and optimal running. All right, before we mess around anymore with the air filter, we're going to do a little bit more preventative maintenance, I'd say, or this is going to clean the air in your car and keep it fresh. Any mold spores in there, it'll get rid of that. So we're going to be using LYSOL, and first thing we're going to do is clean the inside of the air box. So I'm not going to spray it directly on into the air box. I'm going to spray it onto the old microfiber cloth we got here, and we're just gonna wipe it off. All right, so we got that cloth all cleaned out there. So just gonna clean around in here a bit. Yeah, it goes up there pretty deep, up where the vents are. So I'm gonna get in there too. All right, there we go. But that's not all. We're also going to close this back up and show you why. There. Okay, so we're going to go a little step further now. First thing you're going to want to do is turn your car on. Alright, we're going to put the AC on maximum. Make sure the recirculation button is off. And then we're going to go outside. Okay, so what you're going to want to do here, once you got the car started, is to just spray the vents. This is going to suck everything in. And you're probably going to want to leave your car on for about 10 minutes or so. And that should get it recirculated through the whole car. Wipe some of this off here. Fresh stuff here. I recommend to close your windows when you do this, but don't stay in the car. And when you're ready, open all the windows up and just let it air out that way. Alright, so I did leave the doors closed for about 5 minutes. The other 5 minutes I left them all open, including the back. And I tell you, it goes through, but you're not going to have that long-lasting LYSOL smell. It's going to smell actually fresh in your car. So yeah, this is well worth it. Okay, so now we're going to put everything back together. So we're just going to go in reverse. Get this off. Remember to put the arrows down with the airflow. Slowly put that back in. And snap this back in. Okay, then you're just going to grab your glove box door. So wipe that off there. Remember, we have 4 different arms that are latches that the arms are going to go onto. So put that in through the bottom, line it up, push the sides in, and you're done. All right, guys, so there you go. We had a nice day out here, nice and warm for once, and sunny. We got another mod out of the way, that being the cabin air filter on the 2024 Chevy Trax. So that's going to wrap it up for now. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, please like, share, subscribe, and please comment. I love your comments. We'll see you next time. Have a good one and stay safe.
𝙑𝙬𝙖𝙧.